And this is Maddie.
To be at ease is such a treat. Smile at everyone I meet. That's the Hawaiian in me. I love to sing and dance for you, to give a lay, to cheer you through. And when that goes, I kiss or two. That's the Hawaiian in me. It's great to be in Hawaii and to be a native too. It's greater still to play around on as I do. So right out here in Hawaii, where everything's so heavenly, I'm as happy